In today's episode, we'll delve into the cup with handle pattern. The cup with handle pattern gets its name from its resemblance to a teacup when viewed from the side. Here's what you need to look for. Prior uptrend. First, the stock should have experienced an uptrend of at least 30%. This indicates strong market performance. Second, cup formation. After the uptrend, the stock pulls back to form the left side of the cup. Profit taking and selling pressure creates a temporary downtrend. Third, cup bottom. The bottom of the cup is formed when selling pressure eases and institutional investors step in to support the stock. The right side of the base is then formed as the stock starts climbing higher. Fourth, handle formation. Within the upper half of the cup, a handle forms. This represents weaker holders who bought near the previous uptrend's peak. They seek to minimize their losses, causing a slight decline in price. Importantly, the volume during the handle formation should be light, indicating that committed investors are holding onto their shares. Let's take a look at an example to see the cup with handle pattern in action. In 2020, Dixon Technologies exhibited this pattern. Dixon had a significant prior uptrend, followed by a pullback that formed the left side of the cup. The stock found support at the cup's bottom, suggesting a potential turning point. As it climbed higher, the right side of the base formed, accompanied by the development of a handle. The ideal buy point for the cup with handle pattern is in the handle's peak. In Dixon's case, it was Rs 957.96. Pay close attention to the volume during the breakout. Dixon broke past the ideal buy point with higher volume than average. This signaled strong institutional buying interest and presented an opportunity for investors to enter the stock. The stock then moved more than 6 times in next 1.5 years. That wraps up our video on the cup with handle pattern. Be sure to join us for future videos as we explore more chart patterns. Until then, keep refining your chart reading skills.